Welcome to ProCons, the professional concepts. Today we will see the difference between standard temperature and pressure and normal temperature and pressure. Why these two temperature and pressures are given by or followed by the scientists or design engineers. Let's say a chemist in a laboratory is performing a chemical experiment in London. The main room temperature and pressure in London is say 12 degrees Celsius and 1.015 bar. If the same experiment is conducted by him or her in New Delhi, where the mean temperature and pressure is say 21 degrees Celsius and 1.014 bar, the result of the experiments might significantly vary. This is because many scientific experiments, particularly of chemistry, are influenced by temperature and pressure. Hence, to avoid such deviations, we have adopted some standard conditions so that experiments all over the world are performed in similar laboratory conditions. One such standard is standard temperature and pressure. There are different standards available for standard temperature and pressure. One of the major institute which has given its value is the National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST. It's an American physical science laboratory agency that defines standard temperature as 0 degree Celsius, that is equal to 273.15 K, and K is Kelvin, and standard pressure as 1 atm is equal to 101.325 kilopascal, which is equal to 1.01325 bar. Another agency, International Union of Pure and Applied Chemistry, they have set standard temperature as 0 degree Celsius, which is equal to 273.15 K, and standard pressure as 100 kilopascal, which is equal to 1 bar, which is equal to 0.0987 atm. So in the previous standard, we saw the standard pressure as 1 atm. Here we are seeing it as a 0.987 atm. Earlier, this standard also followed 1 atm, which was abolished in the year 1982. Similarly, there are many agencies who have set standard temperature and pressure. So whenever you are designing what we can say an equipment or design, whenever you take up a design work, you should confirm it from the authority who is going to approve your design, that what values have to be followed for STP and NTP. Otherwise, you will go for repeated works. Okay, NTP, that is normal temperature and pressure. Normal temperature and pressure is introduced by National Institute of Standards and Technology, NIST. Normal temperature as per NIST is 20 degrees centigrade. This temperature is a more realistic and convenient condition in the world compared to 0 degree, which is the standard temperature and pressure. Okay, what we can say that STP. NTP is widely used as a more practical standard by the various industries throughout the world. So what we are seeing here is NTP is widely used as one more practical standard by various industries throughout the world, where STP, standard temperature and pressure, is widely used for theoretical purposes. Normal temperature and pressure is widely used for practical purposes. Okay, so this is the difference why we are maintaining two different standards. So NTP is set at 101.325 kilopascal but uses 20 degrees Celsius as the temperature. Okay. So finally, let's conclude here. Present values for NTP and STP, these values have changed over many years. So the present value is, at present, STP is 100 kilopascal is equal to 1 bar is equal to 0.987 atm. Temperature is 0 degree Celsius is equal to 273.15 Kelvin. At NTP, pressure is equal to 101.325 kilopascal is equal to 1.01325 bar is equal to 1 atm. Temperature is equal to 20 degrees Celsius is equal to 293.15 Kelvin. Now, I once again request you to consider this as a concept, not as a values. When you want to use this STP and NTP values, you should consult the approving authority well before you start your design calculations. Okay, so thanks for watching. Let's grow together by sharing knowledge. Thank you.